Okay, second part of the video, how I convert this toy from Target on a remote control airplane, Dusty. So first time you saw the video, I had cut the bottom of the plane and started installing the electronics. So all that has been done. I get the motor, and I have all the controls for the rudder and elevator, and you can see the electronics, 2 servos, and the receiver. One more thing that you will notice is I have a yellow elevator. The reason of that is because I found out that's the original size of the elevator of the plane. It was too small, so I decided to make it bigger. I made it of foam. So now I have more control up and down. Also, I'm using one S 3.7 volts, 150 milliamp, 25C E-flite as a power. Now all the electronics from this plane are coming from a ParkZone Trojan, similar to this. So you can see the size of the planes. So this plane has the same motor as this, same motherboard, receiver, and servos. Now this plane has ailerons. So what I'm planning to do next is take this little plane, Dusty, and install 2 servos, one in each wing, and make ailerons. That will be next video that will show you how it's been done. Thanks for watching.